Ooh.
Oh, chubbicorn.
Hi, I'm Mistersaintamant, and today we're going to draw some more poses from comics. This time, it's from Goons of the Galaxy by my friend Marc Jackson. We're going to draw a guy sitting down. We'll start off with head and gesture line and build the torso around that gesture line. And then the oval for the table, the smaller oval for the cup. And then we'll draw the hands and arms reaching out for the cup. And then I'm going to draw the position of the legs. So you see this character has short legs. You can extend them if you like. And then I'm going to draw the chair or the booth that the character is sitting in. You want to make sure that you also have a leg for the table. And then just adding some facial features like the lips sucking on the straw, and then the eyes and fingers, the ear, and then the bottom of the booth and the back of the seat booth. And then we're all done. So that's pretty much it. If you want to slow this down, it makes it easier. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.